Hey guys, how you doing? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name's Chris and I'm just a review guy. Today we're reviewing a product I stumbled across on Amazon called Ticarve, the dust cleaning gel. Found it while I was looking around on stuff to review and thought it'd be kind of cool, so doing a little review on it. It's actually a gel, like the slime that your little kids would play with. We're going to be testing it on the vents, be testing it on one of my work trucks that never gets cleaned. It's not washable, but it's reusable until it's dirty. We're also going to try it on a keyboard. We're going to try it on a lot of shit. So stay tuned, keep watching, because we're going to try this gel on whatever we can squeeze it into and pull it out. Stay tuned, keep watching. All right guys, let's try it in the vent, what it was designed for. Just squeeze it in, it's nice and tight. Pull it out. Pull any dirt? Yeah, pull a little. It's not dirty to begin with. Let's just go ahead and do that. Well, let's try the knobs. Pulled some of the dirt off the knob. All right, let's try the console. All right guys, let's try the console and the crease. Now on Amazon, they call it putty, but it's more like a gel. If you're interested in picking one of these up, it comes in 3 different scents: lavender, purple, and something else. But you can squeeze it in there. Does it get all the dirt? Not really. But it gets some of the stuff. Let's see if it works in here. Just roll it around, squeeze it right in there. It does pick some of the dirt. Let's see if we find a vent that's actually dirty. These are moist. Let's shove it in this vent. Picked up a little bit. All right, guys, let's go try my work truck that has never been cleaned. Feeling on your hand, if you like your hands to feel moist. All right, guys, here's one of the vents in my truck. Not sure if you can see how dirty it is. Sun hits it. Go ahead and open the gel and squeeze it in there and see what happens. All right, guys, here we go. Squeeze it in. The forward vents are kind of big, so we'll squeeze it in on one side. Finger it. Kind of feels funky. Definitely pulls out dirt, and this is pretty dirty rig. Squeeze it in the middle. Finger it a little bit and rub it up and down. So it does pull dirt and stuff, but no, it's pretty heavily soiled. Yeah, it does okay. Let's see. Roll it in. It's almost already ruined. Okay. Basically, guys, keep using this until it gets too dirty. Let's go find a seat to use it on. All right, guys, let's try it on my leather seat. Clearly, I can't keep using it in my work truck. It will destroy it. So we'll put it in here and we'll roll it in the cracks, like so. Push it in, roll it. It's picking up a bunch of stuff that's down in there. So there's some of the stuff way deep down in. So it's working. For $6, see, we'll roll it back. Let's get rid of that eye needle. Roll it back up and we'll roll it and see how. Oh, sorry, I'm trying to do this with one hand. Doing just a off the wall review. Trying to watch where I roll it. And that sack, don't it? I'm gonna get demonetized. I'm not even monetized, so it don't matter. All right. Yeah, well, let's see here. I picked up some dirt. Sure, let's try it on something else. All right, guys, let's try it on my remote. Now I can tell you now, my remote's pretty fucking clean. Nothing's on it that shouldn't be on it. So let's see what else we can try it on. So let's try it on this monitor. Not monitor, but keyboard. Squeeze it in the hole. I'm going to screw one of my computers up. Squeeze it in. Oh, look at that. All right, well, it got some of the stuff out, I think. I don't know, you guys get the point. Let's try it on my dusty cable box. Yeah, cable box is nasty. So if it's gonna work good doing that, what about the little port that gets like full of gunk? Let's see if we can shove it in that little hole. Can't really get it in deep enough, guys. Won't go in that deep. It's a little too soft, but it got some of it. Maybe none of it. Yeah, look how gross that is. Dog hair or something. All right, guys, right now it's getting all limpity limp, so let's try it on something different. All right, guys, let's try it on my work hat with the sawdust and see if it will sawdust off. Really, sounds like a date on Vegas. If you press hard enough, it actually pulls the sawdust out of the bill. For the most part, kind of, sort of. Well, all right, guys. Well, that does it for this goofy review. This is the Ticarve. Comes in 3 different scents. The link will be in the description below. I got it from Amazon. Took about a day to get here, maybe 2. And as always, guys, thanks for watching this little goofy review. I will have my standard review next Sunday, so keep an eye out for that. As always, thanks for watching. Give me a like, subscription if you want to see more content, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.